When it comes to finding the right snow guard for your metal roof, there are a lot of options. So what are just a few of the factors that makes S-5 snow guard stand out from the competition? First off, no company puts their products to the test like S-5. We performed over 5,000 pull tests on virtually every type of metal roofing. We don't want to make empty promises on our product performance. We back up all our claims with certified laboratory testing. Secondly, we make designing your perfect snow guard system easy. With the S-5 Project Configurator, we've compiled all our testing data into one convenient spot so you can engineer a dependable system for your metal roof. You'll even get a bill of materials when you finish entering your project information. Each S-5 system is designed to individual site-specific criteria because every roof is different and every project has different requirements. We also provide the option to get your project stamped by an engineer should you need it. And lastly, S-5 has customer support you can count on. Our team is easy to reach and always quick to respond via email, phone, and sometimes even on the job site. We've been in your shoes, and we want to be sure your installation goes smoothly and can easily stand the test of time. And that's just a few of the things that make us stand out. So the next time you're looking for the perfect snow guard, look no further than S-5. We're tested, trusted, and engineered so you can design and install your system the right way.